how to download Telegram videos. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can simply download a Telegram video maybe that someone has sent you, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to download videos from Telegram, all you have to do is go here and basically launch the Telegram application here. Once you launch a Telegram app, you're going to be able to see this type of interface where what you need to do is just scroll and then look for the video that maybe you want to download, right? So just go ahead and basically find out for the video that you want to download over here. So let's say that you find a specific video that you want to download. What do you do if you want to download them? Well, it's very simple. Just open the video, then tap the three dots option from the top right hand side, and right here you'll find this option called Save to Gallery. When you tap this on Save to Gallery, wait for the video to be fully downloaded, and then the photo or the video are going to be saved on your phone's gallery. Whenever you open the Photos application, it's actually going to remain there. And that's all it takes to save Telegram videos. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.